All right, last time. Left hand. Here we go. A smooth run, smooth run. We're walking, we're walking. Let me see a smooth jog, Luke. Smooth jog. Into the jab step. There we go. Boom. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. Bang. All right, here we go. So, next thing we got here, all right? We're going full court, all right? So, no ball. Boom. Through the cones, one step through, okay? When we get through there, we're exploding out. I'm passing it to you, okay? I'm passing it to you. You're going layup, all right? Regular right hand layup. Once we get there, you're getting your rebound. Boom. Come in here. It's going to be a cone here. Same exact thing we just worked on, okay? Boom. Fast break, all right? See the court. Your defender's in front of you. See you got a lane to the basket. Jab. In and out. 1, 2. Make our layup, okay? All right. Repeat. You're starting here. You're starting here on this end, and you're going 1 foot in. That's the first one, all right? So, working on our footwork here, working on our layup there, working on the move we just worked on down there, okay? All right, we got this 6 times. Yep, 1 foot in each square. But, we're done with the warm-up. This is full speed, so we're here. Explode, okay? All right, here we go. Okay, I'm passing you the ball once you get out. Explode out of there. All right? Keep working on your speed, your quickness, okay? All right, here we go. Ready, go. Oh, start over. That was not 1 foot in each cone, in each square. That was 2 feet in each square. I said that's 2 feet. I said 1 foot in each square. I don't know if I went too fast, but this is 1 foot. That was 2 feet what you did. There we go. There we go. Explode. Go. Layup, layup. Get your rebound. Get your rebound. Here. Push, push. In and out. In and out. Boom. Layup, layup. It's good. It's a good first attempt. Good first attempt. All right. Here we go. Second time around, here we go. Explode, explode. Get your rebound, get your rebound, get your rebound. In and out, in and out. Good. Layup. All right, all right. So, not bad. The goal. First time, turn over here. Second time, mid layup down there. All right? Our goal, perfect footwork. Make the layup, perfect footwork down here. Great in and out move to beat our defender. Good finish down here, okay? That's the goal. All right, we're done with 2. We got 4 more. Ready? All right, let's hit it. Good, good, go, go, explode. Good, good, push, 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 push. In and out, in and out, in and out. All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Here we go. Let me see that. So as you get better at this move here, we want it to become smoother and smoother. So right here, it was a really good jab step, but it was a little, it was a little slow. It was mechanical almost. You want it to flow. So yours was like, all right, almost like you stopped. So when you get there, you want to flow right into it. Dribbles should not, or your footwork should not change. So here, here, and keep going, okay? Last time, so you already know you're going. okay? That's what it should look like. Keep working on it, step by step. All right, here we go. Explode, go, go, go. 1, 2. Excellent, excellent. Push, 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 push. Good, that's better, that's better. Better, better. Very good. Very good. Excellent, excellent. All right. Focus on this explosion, okay? When you get out of this, out of here, all right? Boom, boom, boom. Once you get out of here, and this foot steps out of this square, boom. Don't worry about me passing you the ball. It's gonna come to you. Explode out of there, all right? All right. This is number 4. All right. Ready, go. Explode. Good, let's go. Rebound, rebound. Let's make that layup. Better, not bad. Pretty good, man, pretty good. All right, go. Keep working on that jab step. And that in and out at the same time. It should be almost simultaneous right there, okay? All right, this is number 5. You're looking good. All right, hold on, hold on, hold on. That was good, that was good. All right. 2 feet in. Now we're going 2 feet in, Luke. Are you ready? Let's hit it. Go. Excellent, excellent. Slow. There you go. There you go. Excellent. Here we go. Here we go. Fast break, fast break. Ah. That one was so-so. That one was so-so. This move here. Okay? One thing, you're doing it a bit far away from me. You did it like right here. I need you to get a little closer to me to make me actually think you're going to go that way. If you do it right here, I have no time to react and catch you right there. All right? Get a little closer. Boom. At the same time, jab step, okay? Yeah, you took, I saw that. The work was close though. Not bad. All right? Here we go. 2 feet in, 2 feet in. Ready, go. Excellent. Explode. Good, good. Here we go, here we go. Push, push. There we go. Not bad, not bad. All right, here we go. Let's get to it, man. All right, everything we gotta do on the right, gotta be able to do on the left. This should be fun. Left hand layups. I love it. All right, we're changing up the drills though, okay? All right. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna work on some lateral stuff too. We're gonna start in front first, then we're gonna work on some lateral stuff, okay? You're gonna explode out with the defensive slide and then run. I'll show you. So the first one is just like this, all right? All we're doing, working on that footwork still, in and out, boom, boom. Left, right, left, right. Once we get to the end, don't forget, explosion, boom. Catch the ball, fast break layup, bow. All right, once you get that, we're coming back here. In and out, bow. In and out with the left. Right here. Yeah, of course, go ahead. All right. So, you ready, man? All right, here we go. So, remember it? It's like this. Got it? Exploding out, layup, coming back, in and out. Oh, yeah. All right, do you remember the drill? All right, here we go. Nope, that's Iggy Shuffle. That's not what I did. 1, 2, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. There you go. Fast enough to make you work, but slow enough to make sure you're doing it right. All right, ready, go. There you go. Stay focused the whole time. There we go. Excellent. Explode, explode, explode. There we go. Lay up, lay up. Not bad. Get your rebound, get your rebound. Here we go. In and out. Good. Took another dribble, But you did the right foot and you made the layup. So just fix those little things. We're just tweaking those little things. And the great thing is, you know what you're doing now. You understand, okay, I took one too many dribbles. You understand, okay, I still made the layup. I still went off the right foot. Now it's coming to you, okay? All right, here we go. So, next one. Together now. Instead of one foot, now we're going together. All right? All right, let's get to it. Ready, go. There we go. Here we go. Speed, 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 speed. Explode, explode, explode. There we go. Here we go, here we go. Let's go, let's go. Good in and out, good in and out. Not bad, not bad. All right, my man. All right. Good job. Come here. What I'm talking about. All right. Not bad. Hey. In and out. Very important move. Effective move, okay? Boom. Keep working on once you get to him. The fake is in the eyes. It's in the jab. All right? Right here. You know you're going to the left, but he doesn't. All right? Perfect, perfect. Next one. That's 2. We got 4 more. All right? You're doing great. Here we go. Next, we're going 2 feet in on the side. So scoot back just a little bit. 2 feet in on the side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All the way down. Once we get here and you come out, 2 explosive defensive slides. 1, 2. Once you get there, you're gonna turn, take off. I'm throwing you the ball. Lay up here. All right? Come back. I want to see that in and out. All right? Excellent, excellent. You ready? And go. Explode. Oh, come back. Those feet shouldn't be crossing if you're doing defensive slide. I don't know, maybe you forgot that you were sliding. So when you come out, right here, all right, 2 strong pushes, okay? All right, let's try it again. Ready, go. Slide, slide, ooh, nice. There we go. Off the wrong foot, I'll take it, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I like that speed. Ooh, and you made the layup. No, you messed up down there and down here, but the speed was great. And you made both layups. And you went 100%. And you still did the move correctly. If you're going to get better and get the move right in the game, that's the way you have to work. All right? Full speed. That was perfect, dude. Here we go. That's time number 3. Give me 3 more like that. All right? Take 15 seconds because I want the best. Take 15 seconds. The rest is just as important if you're going to give me 100%. So take your time. Should we do that one again? Yeah? All right, let's do it again. I thought you were going to say yeah. Anytime you mess up like that and mess up down here, that's not the way we finish. I expect you to say, yeah, I want to do it again because I want to get it right, right? All right, here we go. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it definitely ain't going to be that bad. Okay? You did 5 great ones. Really 6 great ones. All right? Let's do it. All right. And go. Nice, Luke. Nice, Luke. Here we go. I love the footwork. You're doing great. Here we go. And go. Slide, catch. Good. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What happened? That was perfect. Wrong foot and we missed the layup. That was good though. I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one. All right. Couple form shots and we'll take a drink. Right there. Elbow in, underneath. Elbow in, underneath. Okay. Good, good, good. All right. Finger pad. Better, better, better. There we go. There we go, my man. Beautiful. Use those legs a little more when you're tired. We've been doing a lot of running. Go. Love it, love it. Beautiful, dude. All right, get you a drink, man. Hey, good work, man. You've been doing great. Your attitude is perfect. Not much.